you're a total artist from the performance to the musicality. I am very, very happy to see and witness because I think this is the start of something big for you. So, and I think the feeling that I'm feeling right now is not unique to me because I think obviously the crowd witnessed it as well. So you've done me proud. I'm very, very happy that you were able to deliver this, minus all what could have gone wrong. I think you were able to really deliver a complete performance. So again, congratulations for a very great performance.
Thank you, Sir
Thank you very
Andre.
much, Sir Andre. Kian.
Kinilabutan ako sa performance mo Sa totoo lang Na parang, noong una nga nag-uusap kami ni Sir Andre na, ang ganda nung simula di ba? Yung gitara mo, pangarap kong... Tapos, may parang sabi namin, okay lang kahit hindi na niya ibalik yung loop. Kahit wag na loop, sana wag na siya mag-loop, okay na, ang ganda na Tapos nung pinasok mo yung di ganun yung ginawa. Iba yun, mas magaling ka. Pero nung pinasok mo siya, para sabi ko, ang galing, sakto, tamang-tama yung ginawa niya. Nung sinasabi ko kanina na ang ganda ng pyesa mo nung last time, kaya bago yung happy na ginawa mo kanina, pinanis lahat ng performance mo na yun, yung performance mo na to. Kasi hindi mo na kailangang gumalaw, hindi mo na kailangang umikot ng stage, hindi mo na kailangan magpapalakpak ng tao, hindi mo na kailangan magpasigaw ng tao. Ginawa nila lahat yun, napaka-genuine para sa'yo. Alam mo yun? Kinilabutan talaga ako Kinilabutan talaga ako kasi ginawa mo ng sarili mong version nga yung kanta. Alam mo yun? Nagkaroon ng himala kanina. Alam mo yun? Yung parang ginawa mo siyang gig na lahat kami nanonood lang dito na honestly, sa sobrang hirap nung ginagawa mo na pagluloop na yan, hindi ko alam kung natutulog ka ba o kung paano mo binubuting-ting yan. Pero yung coolness factor dito sa criteria of judging, nasa yun Sobrang cool nung ginagawa mo. Kasing cool nung suot mo na damit. Pero iba yung performance na ginawa mo. Hindi siya masabi na, sobrang basta ang lupit. Alam mo yun? Gusto kita mapanood ulit ng paulit-ulit.
Thank you, Kian. Sir Vic.
Sir Vic.
Ang sarap mo panoorin, Charis. Excellent yung performance. 3 things ang sasabihin ko. First, yung choice mo ng song is really very good. Second, yung arreglo in its simplicity is ang galing. And third, yung timing ng performance mo is na tumbok mo tonight. Yung palagi yung, remember, lagi ko minimension sa'yo, please be careful with your timing. Pero this time, it's perfect. Ang ganda.
Thank you, Sir Vic.
Thank
Sir
you, Sir
Junji.
Vic.
Ako, okay lang. Hindi naman, para maiba lang, ubus na yung superlatives. Masasabi ko lang, kahit paano balik-baliktarin mo yung arrangement, mesmerize pa rin ang audience. In fact, you could have started with, sinimulan mo yun, nag-harmonize ka, biglang pasok. Kasi noong una, sabi ko, teka muna, ano nangyayari dito? Bakit parang mabagal? It was a slow climb, Charis. It was a slow climb. But when you got to the top, you definitely proved to them na kaya ganun ang aking trekking. Kasi gusto kong dahan-dahan kayong dalhin dun sa tuktok. And you did a very good job. Wonderful.
Thank you
Effortless.
very much.
Thank you. Thank you to all our judges. And congratulations, Charis. Good luck to you later on. Meron pa tayong 2 performances and I'm sure they
That's
will
right.
also
Thank
bring
you.
their A-game.
Okay. So ngayon naman, syempre, di ba parang mas embrace na lang ng ating mga artists yung OPM. This time, to sing Yeng Constantinos Ikaw. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Mark Francis Reyes.